Now then people, I hope we are all well on this cold, wintry July day, which feels like October for some strange reason. Here with another YouTube video, as we well know, and today I thought I'd discuss what this is, what my little robot friend is going into my left arm. Going to my right arm is quite boring, that's just a bit of water and a bit of glucose, so that's not too interesting, but I thought I'd discuss today what this is. So this is called Total, forgive my pronunciation, Total Parenteral Nutrition, TPN, which I will be referring to it as because I keep butchering the pronunciation of perinatal. Perinatal sounds quite parental, I don't know, I feel like I'm butchering that, but TPN is what we're going to refer to it as. Now this is administered to me due to the fact that I've come into hospital with severe malnutrition which has been caused by my Crohn's disease. Now the purpose of this is to replace all the nutrients inside my body that I have been losing through my lack of eating and lack of ability to absorb food. So if you see this little sort of milky solution we've got going on here, this is coming straight into my veins and giving me the nutrition I need to keep going and stay alive. Now, before this was administered and before it was prescribed, I had to answer loads of questions about being allergic to nuts, being allergic to being lactose intolerant and things like that, because they literally put the remnants of food inside this bag. It needs to be in this bag here. We call it brawn. It says brawn. Does it say brawn on that side? It doesn't. It says brawn on this side anyway. So we need to put it in this bag. It needs to be protected from light. So this bag protects it from light. Now, the way this is administered is through something called a PICC line, or otherwise known as a midline. A PICC/midline is a line that goes. Now I'm going to come and show you, shall we? Because we've got a tripod nowadays, so we can do these things. If we look here, that is a line going right into my arm. And this line here, it goes up, and into a vein. I don't think it's an artery it goes, I think it goes to a vein just next to my heart. Just before I carry on, got some rotary beads here, because one of the best nurses in this hospital, called Anne Rose, who's a lovely Indian nurse, has been discussing the virtues of Christianity with me and how that drives her to be a nurse. That's a story for another day, but she might have converted me to Christianity. It's all getting a bit mad in here, people. Definitely a story for another day. Anyway, we'll carry on with this. So this line goes into my heart, or around my heart, which is crazy to think about. So this little milky solution is coming up here, coming round there, into here, and then giving me the nutrients I need to keep going. Questions? Does it hurt? No. Did the line fitting hurt? Not at all. The fitting, the cannula, which is just a standard intravenous line, that hurt more getting fitted. I had an MRI scan. The administration of the dye solution for the MRI scan hurt more, and I was very, very surprised at that. It was a completely painless experience. It was only about 10 to 15 minutes in theatre, and I believe it was Claire who was the nurse and associate before, and then the other one was Alex. So a big shout out to them, they did a fantastic job getting that done. So yeah, so these are the nutrients that are going to build me up, get me back to a healthy, livable, standard weight, and then we can think about tackling my Crohn's disease and tackling my intestine issues. And yeah, so we need to give a big shout out to Braun, and a big shout out to, I don't know the people who make this, let's have a little look at this label. It's like a groin stuff. So we've got 15 grams of nitrogen, about 2,000 calories, and about 1,000 calories of non-protein energy. Can we even still see? Let's get some sort of, hello people. Let's get some, so these are the sort of, I don't know if this is breaking any laws, but these are the nutritional information, and there we go, got TPN Supplemental Life Effects Special. That's me. So yeah, so this is what's going into me currently. That's where it says brawn, and it's going in at a rate of, so I like to start it slowly so your body gets used to it. So it's only going in at a rate of 22 millilitres an hour. And now I'm going to be connected to this for 24 hours a day for the next 5 days. And that is in order to build me up and get me to a place where my body can handle nutrients and I can then safely, hopefully, move back into a place where I'm able to eat solid food and live as close to a normal life as possible, which is obviously the end goal and what I will definitely be doing, because that is the goal, ladies and gentlemen, and you are coming with me on that mission. Yeah, so I just thought I'd give you a quick little rundown of what's actually occurring, what this little, because on these videos, this is going to be with me. If you've got any ideas for, people say to name these things, brawn seems to make sense because it just says brawn on it, but it's a bit, I don't know, it's got connotations of a bit, I feel like I want to give it a bit of a nicer name. So if you've got any ideas for names for this, my little robot contraption that's going to be with me for the next 2 or 3 weeks, then I'm certainly open to suggestions. But yes, anyway, just a quick little video today, people, just to sort of update you on the crack, update you with what's going on with me. I hope we're all well. As always, I really appreciate the love and support. It's one of the main things that's keeping me going and keeping me positive. And positivity is one of the biggest tools and the biggest things to keep going and keep getting to a place where I'm going to do well, which I definitely will be. So yeah, really, really big thank you to anyone who has watched. Big fan of all the messages and support and the love. It's just the best thing ever. Thank you so much. Thank you all for watching, ladies and gentlemen. It's very appreciated. Just a quick little one today. Yeah, peace out, mother lovers.